Hi guys, it's Mrs. Marielle. I wanted to take a few moments to share with you how to complete today's life skill activity, which is folding laundry. So all you're going to need to do this is a pile of laundry and yourself. So I'm going to show you how to fold towels, shirts, and pants. Okay, so let's start with towels. It's probably the easiest one. You first need to take your towel and lay it flat on either the bed or the table, whatever you're folding them on. I'm folding them on the bed right now. Then you're going to take, let me see if I can move it. You're going to take one side with both your hands and fold it and bring it over to meet the other ends. So it's like this, okay? We're gonna lay it back down, and then let's move it. You're gonna take the ends and fold them back. Okay, and there you go. You folded a towel. Great job. Okay, so we're gonna set that one to the side, and now we are going to fold a shirt. We have our nice IK Timberwolves shirt. So what you're going to do is take the shirt and lay it flat on the bed again. Okay, you guys see that? I have it laying flat. And then, this is kind of hard to record it. You're going to take one side and fold it over. I can show you a little better. You see what it looks like? All right. Then we're going to take our sleeves, fold them in, okay? And then fold like that. All right, let me show you one more time with another shirt, okay? Let's see, ooh, I have our Indian Knoll CBI shirt. Okay, so again, I'm going to lay it flat on the bed. Okay, laying it flat. And then I'm going to take the ends of one side like this. I have the sleeve right here and then the bottom of the shirt. I'm going to fold it over. Okay. You can see my shirt now looks like this. All right. I'm going to lay it back down and bring the sleeves on the inside. So now it looks like this. And then fold it in half. And voila, there is our shirt. Okay, and last, I'm gonna show you how to fold pants. Okay, now pants can be kind of tricky. So first, I'm gonna hold them up like this and kind of straighten them out. Then I'm going to lay them on the bed, flatten them out. Okay, and then I'm gonna take one side like this and fold it in half. So my pants are now like this. You guys see that? Lay them back down. I'm gonna take the bottom, bring it all the way to the top. So like that. Okay? And there you go. Your pants are folded. And you guys just folded a whole pile of laundry. Way to go. All right, please send me pictures and videos of you guys folding laundry at home. And if you have any more questions, you and your parents can send me a message, okay? On Seesaw. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.